First line. Sadbhavana Diwas is celebrated every year on the 20th of August in India. Second line. It is also known as Harmony Day. Third line. The day marks the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. Fourth line. Sadbhavana means goodwill, harmony, and mutual understanding. Fifth line. The main aim of this day is to promote peace and unity. Sixth line. It teaches us to respect people of different religions and cultures. Seventh line. We should live together with love, kindness, and cooperation. Eighth line. Schools and institutions organize various activities on this day. Ninth line. Sadbhavana Diwas reminds us that unity makes our country stronger. 10th line. We should always work together to maintain peace and harmony in society.